Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 145. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and a 9 here, so this is our 2. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 here and 9 here, so this is our 8. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this column now, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 2. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this top row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.